up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Sharani. For today's video, it is summertime, so I did you guys a summer makeup look. I'm showing you guys how I accomplished this look. Let me take off my glasses. I cannot see the camera, that's why I always have them on. So I did a sunset look. I love the sunset when it's summertime because it's just like, it's more vibrant, it's more happy. So I did a good purple, and I did reds, and I did orange, and then I even hit it with that nice glow. Oh my gosh. So you guys, I'm feeling super inspired, like super. So you guys are gonna see some more poppin', sparkly, glam videos, whether it's art, whether it's fashion, beauty, lifestyle, even school's coming up. That's a whole nother story that I'm gonna be talking to you guys about in another video. But let's hop into this video and get this thing started. I put on this Vaseline lip therapy stuff, and it works like wonders so that when I put on my lipstick, it doesn't make my lips, you know, dry or whatever. I'm gonna first do the eyes. I am using multiple palettes, I will say. I get really creative with the palettes I have now. It's not like I have all the high brand makeups that most beauty gurus have, but I'm really good with what I have. I go to BeautyCon most likely to get what I have there, and I even go to like drugstores or whatever and get my makeup supplies from there. But they're all really good products that I can be very artistically creative with. So for this look, I'm going to be going in with this orangey color right here. It's super pigmented and it just goes on my eyes so smoothly. Get tape because I forgot I was doing a cut crease. This is my artist palette by Lakey. Super pretty, but I'm for sure going to be using this in the fall time. I'm just going to be using this reddish color right here. I'm going to be putting it in the same area, tap it a little bit off, and then just sweeping it across my eye. Now that I did that, I'm going in with this like brownish purplish color just to darken up this crease corner. I'm gonna be using this super crease brush, and it's like really fluffy. It's supposed to be for your crease, and I love this brush because it literally defines my eyeshadow a bit more than just using a regular fluffy brush. I'm just gonna put it right here. This palette, it has some purples all in this area, and I honestly don't know which one I'm gonna choose from. But just having a basic deep violet purple is going to do the work. I'm either gonna go shoot for this one or I'm gonna shoot for that one. So I cleaned off this brush, and I'm going to be using it again for the lid part. Tapping it right off, and then I'm going right into it. Dark purple to just lay it on top, and then with the lighter purple we can then layer it on top of that as well. You guys seeing how pretty it's coming out? You want to make sure you blend it so nice. When you see the sunset, it's nice and blended, right? So you need to make sure that your eyeshadow is nice and blended. Now I'm going in with either this purple. I think I'm going to go in with this purple right here, and as well this purple right here. Clean up my eye look a little bit more and blend things out. I'm going to be going back in with my blending brush, and then I'm going back in with that dark red just to make sure that the purple doesn't look like it's topped on, that it's slowly blending into it. Okay, so this one's nicely blended. I'm then gonna go in with a little bit of eyeliner. You guys seen how I did this eye, so I'm then going to go on to this eye, and yeah, then after I'm going to be applying on lashes, and then we can do the face makeup. Just for a little pop, I don't know, when you think of sunset, you think of the sun going down, you think of the beautiful colors, yeah, but what about the sun part? Do this, and then we can even put a little bit of highlight on top of it. Now I'm gonna put on some foundation. So I put on foundation, and now I'm using my LA Girl Pro concealer, and I can't find my beauty blender. That's right, I can't find none of my stuff, so I'm using the little jelly or whatever this thing is called, I forgot. I'm using this for replacement. It's not blending well, but I am blotting it down to spread it out a bit more. I have these kind of brushes and they work so well, I'm telling you guys. So I'm just gonna use that in the areas where I highlighted at, and I'm gonna blend it out. The next thing I'm going to be doing is using some blush. I'm gonna be using some cream blush. I'm just gonna put like a couple dabs on my face and then blend it in. Now we can use some highlight. Now I have iridescent highlight, I have regular white sparkly highlight, but no, we are going to be using gold highlight. I am going to be using my Vitalis Healthy Glow. When you look inside of it, it looks like this. As you guys can see, I have been using it. And then you guys already know my favorite highlight of all freaking time. I love my Artist Couture highlight. As you guys can see, both of these brushes that I use like all the time, the Luxie brushes, yeah, one is 516 and one is 522. This one is more like texture, not texture, but this one is more fluffy, but this one is just more like the strands are more straight. And then going in easily with the brush, you just see how beautiful that glow is? I know y'all see it. I'm gonna put it up here. I love putting highlight on my Cupid's bow. It's just like, I have full lips and it just defines my lips more. It just really does. It gives my lips that extra pop. This is a full glam look, so I'm going all out. I'm not putting too much highlight, but like, you just want to make sure that your highlight is existent. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And then going down. A little bit right here, a little bit right here. Now that I have used that one, I'm going in with that liquid, like putty looking highlight, and then I'm just gonna dab it in with this kind of brush, and then just adding little accents. Like little accents count. Putting some right here just to give it that extra pop. Now this is the final thing, you guys. The next thing that I am going to be using, I'm going to be using MAC lipstick in the color Whirl. And I will say this is my first ever MAC lipstick, and for my skin tone, I freaking love it. I didn't want to go overboard with the colors going on because I have so much going on already that I wanted to tone down the look a little bit with some lipstick, and yeah, maybe a gloss on top just to make it show that it's that glam look. We are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what other makeup looks you guys think that I should do. I have another one coming up for golden hour since it's the summer, and just golden hour is such an amazing time to take some nice photos and just to feel that nice glow on your skin. there's like a really cool project that is going to be uploaded by August for you guys. I'm super excited to tell you. So yeah, subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Put on the notification bell. But I hope you guys are having a glam day, an awesome day. I am just so happy right now. Oh my gosh, I just feel so inspired and motivated. But I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and don't forget to smile, spread the magic. Bye guys.